Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Since it still feels in New Year's atmosphere, I want to say Happy New Year for all of you. I wish in this 2020, we, especially me, can be a better new person, a part of what our New Year's resolution is. Amin. So, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Hamdiansyah, who's studying in Pelita Bangsa University. I am majoring in informatics engineering, and right now I am in the third year of college. And the purpose why I'm making this video is because I was given an assignment by my lecturer to make videos which contain the installation of web server, FTP server, and Samba server. Maybe some of you are wondering why I'm speaking in English, right? It's not because I want to show off or whatsoever, but there's a story behind this. The reason is that I have been joining in BBC, which stands for Berita Bangsa English Club. It is one of the organizations from my college, and maybe all of you know what every English club is doing, right? So I have been joining in the club for more than 2 years now. Plus, I want to prove what I get all along from joining the club. So the conclusion is I want to push myself to speak English in public and be brave while doing it, because I think right now is a great chance to do it. Jadi bagi teman-teman sekampus yang nonton video ini, alasan saya ngomong bahasa Inggris karena saya mau melatih skill berbahasa Inggris saya, dan juga bagi viewers mancanegara yang gak ngerti bahasa Indonesia bisa ngerti juga. Terus saya pikir ini juga kesempatan yang tepat buat melatih skill bahasa Inggris dan mental saya terutama. Jadi sepanjang video ini saya akan menjelaskannya dengan full bahasa Inggris, oke? Tapi jangan khawatir, nanti saya akan menampilkan teks berbahasa Indonesia dalam notepad di samping window virtual box-nya. So, without further ado, let's get straight to the video. First of all, we must log into Ubuntu, and after that, we install the FTP server by typing sudo apt install vsftpd, as you can see in my notepad, and then enter. We wait for the process, and the next step is we enter in the configuration of the FTPD server itself by typing sudo nano /etc/vsftpd.conf. Again, you can see in notepad, and we look for the configuration by unlocking the settings. In my notepad, as you can see, the write enable is locked, so we can unlock it by removing the hashtag, and we continue to search use local time. Yes. And connect from port 20. It is unlocked already, and then we search for ASCII upload enable. You can see it is locked. We can unlock it, and then the FTPD banner, we unlock it also. The other configurations that are not in my notepad, just lock it by adding the hashtag. It is useful to activate the status of the FTP itself, and then Ctrl O to save and enter, and then Ctrl X to exit. And then we restart the FTP server by typing sudo systemctl restart vsftpd, enter. I'd love to fall and see it through, but only if you told me to. And then we want to see the status of FTP by typing sudo systemctl status vsftpd. As you can see, the status of the FTP server is active, and the next step, we add a new user by typing, in this case, I use the add user, but also you can use the user add. Then add user. And we type sudo telnet localhost 21, and then enter. As you can see, it is connected to localhost, and then we exit from the telnet by typing quit, and then we want to ping the FTP by typing FTP and IP address. But before that, we must change the network settings by changing the adapter settings to host-only adapter. And then we want to see the IP address by typing ifconfig, as you all know. And you can see that my IP address is 192 and 168 138 and 3, and then enter. And it's connected, and it's written welcome to Blah FTP service. You can check if it's really connected or not by checking in browser, whatever browser you want, by typing FTP :/ and then your IP address. And as you can see that it's connected, but But since I have not transferred any files to my FTP server, so it's empty. That's it for my tutorial to install the FTP server. Thank you.